All right, we just solved the sort by name problem, undoing it essentially. At the current moment in time, there's no simple undo button for this, but we're going to show you a workaround that we just used to solve this problem. So let's go step by step. All right. So if you do Control-Shift-O, imported, and you just hit that button, right? Assuming you just hit it, which is unfortunate, you're going to see all these guys sorted in alphabetical order, right? What you want to do is you just want to go ahead and anywhere on this page. So let's go back here, and you just want to do export bookmarks. Now this is going to give you an option to save it as a file. You can save anywhere, but what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and wherever you save that file, we're going to go ahead and open it. It should look something like this. Now don't get intimidated. What we're looking at here is this beautiful, beautiful add date, and this is a sequential number, which is amazing. Now, all of you who have used Excel for sorting as much as I have know that this is actually a pretty quick fix. So what we'll do, I just made two column heads, and I pasted all the code from here. So depending where yours starts, and mine, for instance, is going to be right here. And if you go all the way, you'll see that on the left-hand side, you'll see that it switches, yeah. So what this is this is another folder that did not get affected by the sort by name thing. So what you want to do is just copy the ones that each one of these is a bookmark, right? You just copy those over. Right, so copy, and then you'd paste them here, okay? And this formula right here is pretty much saying, hey, go find, right, add date in this text, okay? And based on wherever that starts, plus the length of add date, right, +1, so we want pretty much everything after add date for 10 characters in this text. Okay, that's all you do, and long story short, what you get is if you look, so I'm into SAP, honestly, add date, you can see this is the number we're after. Is that the number we get? Yes, sir, right? It is. So once you have all of those guys, all you do, and we already did this, but you'd sort A to Z. Okay, so you get, again, you would have initially alphabetical order, but now you have them sorted by the order you need it. And then what you do is essentially go back, so you'd copy that, go back to this file, and then just hit paste. Wherever you just copied from, you just hit paste, okay? And you save that down. And then you go into Google, and then do, and what you want to do, you definitely want to select all the old ones, and then you can shift click to select them. And you just delete first. It'd take a while. You can see I love bookmarks. So, but you just hit delete. And then after they're all gone, what you'd want to do is you would hit import bookmarks and then go ahead and find that imported bookmark, right? And that's the file. And you just hit that, open, and then it'll take a while. It took me like at least 5 or 10 minutes, and Chrome becomes unresponsive sometimes. And for me, it actually shut me out of Chrome when it finished. But long story short, you should have the imported bookmarks in the order that you wanted them before you hit sort by name. So those will be chronologically sorted. Hopefully this helps you. Thank you so much.